Hey guys, this powerful document viewer handles everything from PDF to TIFFs, all in one sleek interface. Whether you are uploading a file or pasting a link, previewing complex formats like PPT, docs, and even SVG has never been easier. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of how it works. As you can see here, this is a spreadsheet of Google Docs. So if I copy this link and go into my web app, this is the landing page basically, and if I scroll down, this is a plugin. If I click and paste this link here in this input field and click on view, I'm gonna just preview this file here. As you can see, the same spreadsheet is now open in my web app. If I want to upload some kind of other file like PPT, PDF, TIFF file, SVG, docs, XLSX, I can do that. There are some also button preview like view docs, view PPT. If I click on view docs, some kind of demo document is gonna preview here. Like you can see here, like if you want to edit this copy, you can click on this, and if you want to click some create new ones, you can also do it here. If you want to rename this file, you can do it here. This is fully functional file. You can see, as you can preview all the document here. If you click on view PPT, and this is gonna show you the PPT file, fully functional. As you can see here, this is 2 slides, and if I click on view XLS, and you can see this is opening a XLS file for me. If I click on SVG, this is now previewing SVG, and if I click on PDF, I'm gonna see a preview of PDF. If I want to upload some kind of my own file, I can click on this upload file button, and let me find some, this is a PDF. If I click on open, this is gonna preview the PDF. You can see here, this is very useful plugin for you guys if you want to export some kind of external file through link and preview it in your web app. If you want to upload some file of your own, you can do that here. If you want to preview some demo documents, you can do that here. If I give you a walkthrough of this plugin's workflow actions, if I click on this button, as you can see, there is a view docs action, and if I click on view demo PDF, there is a action view PDF document. This action basically takes a file URL. This is for previewing that demo documents if you want to in your web apps. As you can see in the plugin, if I click on any view XLS, this is previewing the demo document. If you want to showcase some kind of documents in your web app for just demo, or you can just paste the link in that action and create a button. You are ready to go and preview your documents in your web app. So this is all. I hope you guys like this plugin and will find helpful. Thank you.